Okay. It's been 3 hours this time. It's 9:16 p.m. Going back outside, check out the giant blizzard again. This time my mom's with me.
Don't get me on it.
You know what? Just stay out of the way then. How much snow we got? Has it stopped snowing?
Hey, you. You know what? If you can get into the parking lot, you might as well park in there in your spot until in the morning.
Shit, I can't.
I know it's bad.
Y'all won't be able to move. I get stuck.
With all the wind blowing, oh my God.
Yeah.
Look over there.
There is like, what is that, almost a foot now?
Past the foot.
Certain streets, man, that shit come up to the door of my truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't even go down if it ain't the main street. You can't even go down that street. Like them side streets, like the small street like that, man, that shit fucked up.
Slowly.
Well, you can't even see
Yeah.
her thing.
Her leash disappears into the snow. We've already passed 12 inches, so some records got to be broke. There's like a foot surrounding all the vehicles. And look at that.
Make sure,
It's like piling
she's
up.
inside.
Winds are still at about 26 miles an hour. It's pretty bad out here. I'm gonna stay out of the wind.
It's bad out there.
Yeah. If it keeps snowing all night, by tomorrow we'll have, well, it's over 12, so we'll probably have like 18, 20 inches by tomorrow morning. I might do one more video at 11, and then in the morning I'll do one more, and then we'll see how bad it is. Alright, I will see you guys in a couple hours.